Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Here's my completed journal of the Daphne's diary. This journal is about 80 pages, I think, front to back. I left the cover pretty plain. I just didn't want to overdo it. So I just thought I'd just leave it plain and just go off what I've done. What I like about the Daphne's diary, it's got so much ephemera that you can use up and make into a journal. There's other books you can get. I'll later on do a video on some of those books. Now this journal has got a 3-part process on how I made it. I've got a tuck in there, a tuck there, and most things are backed. It's such a lovely journal to do, and to work with something that's not a digital kit is completely different again. I left room to write in. I've got pockets. And I showed the process how I did those pockets in the video. This is a scrappy tag. It's been inked, gold edged, everything. So you've got a fair bit of pages in it. I could have went on and on and on and made it bigger and bigger, but I didn't want to do that. A tag. I showed you how to make these pockets as well. Another tag. A central tag. So I've left a lot of room for writing, but there's lots in this journal. For the size of the journal, there is a lot of room. Just some bulb holders. I even showed you how to do those. Bookmark. I showed you how to do those. Another flip out. I used a map page there, as you can see, and I just collaged it. And I really love it. I love how this turned out. I showed you how to do that pocket. So this, what you'll find in Daphne's diary is so much stuff. It's well worth the price that they ask for it, because you can practically do, I'd say, 3 journals out of it easily, out of one book. Another tag there, a little booklet. I did a lot of sewing. I used book pages, and the video shows you how I come about doing that. Journaling card there. Journaling card there. There's a pocket with a tag. Normally what I do, I put that tag to the back and then that tag to the front. And then that way it looks like that. And I'm really, really happy with that. It turned out better than what I thought it was going to, because I hadn't done one for a long time. I did a smaller one at one stage. This comes with Daphne's diary. Every month they give you a little, well, it's a little drawing book, and it's cute. You can write in it. You can do what you like. Ephemera that I made. And you'd remember I made these baggies. So there's a video on how to create the baggies. I did a boho bead for my center of my journal. This journal actually does pack a punch for what it is. I mean, for writing or adding more stuff to it, I could have went on and on and on. In the video, I showed you how I created that. And again, a journaling card. And you've got another pocket behind there. And that's another. Another file folder. My hands are slippery. And I love these little file folders. And you can get very creative by making a booklet. Again, I've got another one of these. Scrappy tags. And this is all your scraps. All your leftover scraps. Turn them into tags. Leave, I think I did them 1/4 of an inch inwards, if I remember correctly. I think it's on that video anyway that I did, one of the videos, which I will load up at some stage today. But I really, really love the process of what I did to this journal. I love that. That is gorgeous. See what I mean? The ephemera that you can make just from the bookmark. Again, I just did a little bit of collaging, not too much because I love that colour and I didn't want to do away with it. More book pages. So basically I mixed in book pages with tea-dyed pages and I used the ratio of 10 tea-dyed pages and 10 book pages. I just so love it. I love how this turned out. A journaling card, an envelope with a bit of decoupage there, and then I decoupaged it there. Again, I showed you how to do this without a punch board. So you can literally make your own envelope without a punch board. Again, another tag in the middle. I showed you how to decoupage. There's another tagger. I only put a few in that one. So in this, basically there is, this is from an envelope. This is from leftover kit. And that's, I think, ledger paper. And there's a pocket there. And I showed you how to do these. So, journaling card. And I left all the cotton. I love it. I love bits of string hanging out. It took a while to do this journal, but I really, really love it. Again, another envelope. I did some decoupage. A journaling card. Like I said, a lot of this stuff's in the Daphne's diary. Well, that's where I got it all from. I decided I was going to do a magazine one. Then I decided, no, I'm going to do a Daphne's diary. And then there's this poem here, You and Me. With you I can laugh and chat away for hours. All of my thoughts and everything I've seen and done. You bear, you listen, asking all the right questions, concentrating on my story. And as soon as I've begun, it just clicks between us like with nobody else. You always forgive me. I know you are the one. All I want is to be with you wherever you may go, because I know whatever happens, we will have great fun. And that was in the Daphne's diary, and I cut it out because it's beautiful. So I actually read the book. It's very interesting. It's a double pocket journaling card, and that fits in there quite neatly. So I actually done this journal front to back. I mean, yeah, well, I videoed it from start to finish so that you'd get a chance to make your own Daphne's diary. It's quite chunky. For 80 pages, that is very chunky. And then I sewed this into the fabric. I just really like this, so I just thought it really went well. And that's why I didn't do anything more to my cover. And this then clips in, and I did some charms there. So this is the conclusion of my Daphne's diary. I hope you enjoyed the process. I'll try and link all the videos to it so that you can see my process. But thank you again, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.